By the end of this video, you will learn about how the software development lifecycle affects AR development. The software development lifecycle will affect you as an AR developer. But how? As we know, the world all around us, including technology, is changing daily. There may be a functionality that you were trying to embed in your experience that wasn't possible, but now is. Because of new possibilities emerging, it's important to follow new developments, so you're always in the know. It's also important to note that as products evolve, there's a chance your older work may become outdated and obsolete if it's not updated. Speaking of updated, as an AR developer, remember that you will typically have two software programs when creating an experience. You have the software you're using to build the AR experience and the software you're using to run the AR experience. It's critical that both of these software programs stay up to date. So, what could that look like for you as a developer? We'll use Meta Spark as an example. Let's say that you're using the latest version of Spark AR Studio to build and publish an experience to Instagram. But what about those users who continually select Later when given the option to update their personal device and its apps? Not everyone will have the most up-to-date version of Instagram on their most up-to-date device, which means they cannot take advantage of all the new AR features. If your goal is to maximize the number of users using your experience on Instagram, it would be advisable to use an older version of Meta Spark so more users can experience your work. How else can this affect your work as an AR developer? In order to keep AR effects that are published to mobile devices live and supported, the software for them needs to be updated periodically. Take this into consideration and account for it, especially if you're building work for a client. The evolving software development world is a good thing and can help you enhance your work that might not have been possible just months ago. Keeping the software to build and publish your work updated is important when wanting to be able to take advantage of the newest developments.